Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And if you're in the market for a torch, because you have one of these green cans laying around, this is a propane tank, then this here is a torch from Sacred Plus. This here is super easy to use. I love the functionality, how you can control the amount of propane coming out. It's easy to ignite. And it also has a unlock and lock button for safety. And then you have your igniter switch here in the back. So let's go ahead and show you how we do it. On the top here, you're going to see a valve that's on and off. Right now I have it all the way off, minus, but we can turn it to plus. And you'll hear maybe, and now I can ignite it. So we'll just turn a little on and there you go. Now it is super windy out, but as soon as I pull this trigger, I don't know if you can hear that, but this thing is super powerful. This is going to be great. I'm going to turn it off. This is going to be great for DIY projects. If you want to burn wood, you could roast marshmallows with this. You could start your campfire. You could burn your yard with this. Any purpose for a torch, it's there. What I'm going to use it for is definitely I have some wooden benches out back that I probably will go ahead because this will preserve those benches. And this will just make it a whole lot easier. Pick up one of these green canisters. It screws right on in. Super easy application. So I highly recommend picking up this torch. Can is sold separately. You'll just get this torch. And shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do this review. But really nice, good quality torch here from Sacred Plus.